Hello class and welcome to Mechanical Drafting and Design. This is DFT 106 for the fall. I'm really excited to jump in because what we're going to be doing is something that I'm passionate about. This is working with the fundamentals of mechanical drawings. We're going to not only be creating mechanical drawings from two-dimensional designs and layouts, but from 3D models. We'll learn how to model these 3D models that you see on the left in a different class, but we'll be taking this 3D model and we'll be creating the mechanical drawings that you see from the right. Now this is a fully functioning 3D model. I can move it, I can test it, I can analyze it within the model, change the dimensions, change the sizes, all that, and completely import that information into these 2D drawings that you see on the right side with the dimensions, the annotations, all the different views and material information, the metadata that's needed to describe this product and to make it so that manufacturing and production can make this product. So get ready for an exciting 12-week class on mechanical drafting and design. Let's get started.